Today's video regarding Canon PIXMA MG3600 series printer, and I'm going to show you about the error light, which comes 3 error lights flashing at once. So all the warning lights are flashing 5 times altogether. This means there is something wrong with your ink cartridge. It's possible there is no ink cartridge, or maybe that is not installed properly. So open the ink cartridge chamber door, and here we can see the ink cartridge is not installed. So we will simply install the ink cartridges here and push the lock up. Close the ink cartridge chamber door and just check on the screen if there is a warning light here. So we can see there is no warning light now. That means it's resolved. So simply we have to make sure the ink cartridges are compatible and they are installed and they are properly installed. Thanks for watching.